According to the National Health Service, 1 in 2 people will get some form of cancer in their lifetime. Whoa, that's a heavy stat, right? But hey, before you freak out, there are ways to help your body stay strong. And guess what? Some everyday veggies might be little cancer-fighting ninjas. So today, we're gonna meet these cancer-fighting vegetables and discover how to sneak them into your diet in delicious ways. So buckle up because we're about to get healthy and have some fun. Number 1. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous veggies like broccoli, kale, and cabbage contain compounds called glucosinolates. When you munch on these veggies, your body breaks down these compounds into smaller molecules like sulforaphane. Studies have shown that sulforaphane can mess with the way cancer cells grow and spread, making it harder for them to survive and multiply. Plus, it can even encourage those cancer cells to self-destruct, which is pretty awesome. It also helps our bodies detoxify, flushing out harmful toxins and carcinogens that could otherwise promote cancer development. Now, including them in your meals is simple and tasty. Steam them, toss them in salads, or blend them into smoothies for a flavorful and nutritious boost. With a bit of creativity, you can enjoy the health benefits of these cancer-fighting veggies without compromising on taste. Number 2. Beets. Cancer cells need a blood supply to get the nutrients and oxygen they need to thrive and multiply. So they release signals that trigger nearby blood vessels to form new branches and grow toward the tumor, forming a network of blood vessels that feed the cancerous growth. Now here's where beets come in. They contain compounds like phytochemicals and flavonoids that inhibit angiogenesis. In simple words, these compounds put the brakes on the formation of new blood vessels, cutting off the tumor's supply of nutrients and oxygen. Without a blood supply, the tumor struggles to grow and spread, making it easier for the body to fight the cancer. So add some roasted beets on top of a salad, blend them into a creamy beet soup, or how about adding grated beets to your favorite baked goods for a sneaky health boost? Number 3. Onions. Onions might make you tear up when you chop them, but they could make cancer cells cry even harder. Inside these humble veggies, there are compounds called organosulfur compounds, and when they break down, they release something called reactive oxygen species, ROS. Now, these ROS are not just any molecules, they're like little missiles aimed straight at cancer cells. They damage their DNA and signal them to self-destruct. Additionally, onions contain a compound called quercetin, which inhibits the activity of enzymes involved in tumor growth and progression. So whether you're enjoying onions raw in a salad, sautéed in a stir-fry, or caramelized to perfection, you're giving your body a powerful weapon in the fight against cancer. Number 4. Red bell peppers. Cancer cells have this sneaky trick where they can hide from the body's immune system, making it hard for the body to recognize and attack them. But capsaicin says, not on my watch. It strengthens the immune system, making it better at spotting cancer cells. And remember how we talked about beets cutting off the blood supply to tumors? Well, red bell peppers join the fight too. They contain compounds that do the same thing. They put the brakes on the blood vessels that feed those hungry cancer cells, starving them of the nutrients they need to grow and spread. Also, studies have shown that people who eat lots of vitamin C-rich foods, like red bell peppers, have a lower risk of certain types of cancer, including prostate and lung cancer. Number 5. Sweet potatoes. Inside sweet potatoes, there are compounds called phytochemicals, including beta-carotene and anthocyanins. They interfere with the signaling pathways that cancer cells use to spread throughout the body. By disrupting these pathways, they slow down the progression of cancer and make it easier for the body's immune system to recognize and attack the abnormal cells. Sweet potatoes are also rich in fiber, which plays a crucial role in keeping our digestive system healthy and happy. A well-functioning digestive system is essential for eliminating toxins and waste from our bodies, reducing the risk of cancer development. Now, when preparing your sweet potatoes, go for steaming or baking. Steaming or baking sweet potatoes with their skin intact preserves their anthocyanin content and other nutrients. Boiling can also be a good option, but try to minimize the water exposure to prevent nutrient loss. Number 6. Spinach. Spinach is packed with antioxidants. These are like the superheroes of the nutrition world, swooping in to fight harmful molecules called free radicals. Now, why are these free radicals bad? Well, they can damage your cells and even mess with your DNA, potentially leading to cancer. But don't worry, spinach is here to save the day. It's loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene. These guys neutralize those free radicals, reducing the risk of cell damage and, you guessed it, cancer. But wait, there is more! Spinach is also rich in a compound called chlorophyll. This is what gives spinach its vibrant green color, but it also happens to be a cancer-fighting champ. Studies have shown that chlorophyll can inhibit the growth of cancer cells, particularly in the liver and colon. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 7. Asparagus. Asparagus is packed with folate, a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in DNA synthesis and repair. When your cells divide and multiply, they need folate to ensure that everything goes smoothly. Without enough folate, mistakes can happen in your DNA, increasing the risk of cancer. Eating some tasty asparagus gives your body the folate it needs to keep your cells in perfect shape. Asparagus also contains a unique compound called saponins. These little guys have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. They work by disrupting the communication between cancer cells, making it harder for them to grow and spread. And let's not forget about the magic of fiber. Asparagus is loaded with this gut-friendly nutrient, which keeps things moving smoothly through your digestive system. By promoting regular bowel movements, fiber flushes out toxins and waste products that could otherwise contribute to cancer development. Number 8. Eggplant. Inside eggplants, there's a compound called solosodium rhamnosyl glycosides, SRGs. Now, don't let the fancy name scare you. These guys are superheroes. Studies have shown that SRGs have powerful anti-cancer properties. They work by targeting the membranes of cancer cells, breaking them down and causing the cells to die. But that's not all. Eggplants are also rich in antioxidants, like vitamins C and E, which fight free radicals that can damage your cells and lead to cancer. Now, how can you sneak more of these into your diet? Try grilling slices of eggplant and layering them in sandwiches or wraps, or roast them with other veggies for a tasty side dish. You can even blend cooked eggplant into sauces and dips for an extra boost of flavor and nutrition. Number 9. Okra. You might know okra as a slimy vegetable used in gumbo, but it's so much more than that. Inside those green pods, there is a powerful weapon against cancer called lectin. They have this amazing ability to bind to the surface of cancer cells, kind of like a lock fitting into a key. Once they attach to the cancer cells, they start messing with their communication system. Cancer cells often talk to each other, coordinating their growth and spread. But when lectins come into play, they disrupt this communication, causing chaos among the cancer cells. Without proper communication, the cancer cells struggle to grow and multiply, making it easier for the body to fight them. Try grilling or roasting okra to bring out its natural flavors and textures. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even pickle okra for a tangy twist. Number 10. Tomatoes. Inside those juicy red tomatoes, there is a compound called lycopene. It is a powerful antioxidant, which means it scavenges those harmful free radicals roaming around in your body. By neutralizing these free radicals, lycopene prevents damage to your cell's DNA, reducing the risk of cancer development. Tomatoes also contain other compounds like vitamin C and beta-carotene, which team up with lycopene to form a cancer-fighting dream team. These nutrients work together to strengthen your immune system, making it better equipped to identify and destroy any abnormal cells that could turn cancerous. A study published in the Journal of Scientific Reports has shown that eating tomatoes or slurping up tomato-based sauces lowers the risk of prostate cancer. For the best benefits, go for fresh tomatoes or sauces with minimal added sugar and preservatives. And no, ketchup is not a good source of tomatoes. Number 11. Celery. Celery contains compounds like apigenin and luteolin. These fancy-sounding compounds might not roll off the tongue, but they sure know how to pack a punch. Apigenin, for example, interferes with the signaling pathways that cancer cells use to grow and spread. Luteolin has been studied for its ability to induce apoptosis in cancer cells. Now, what is apoptosis? It's basically programmed cell death. nature's way of saying game over to cancer cells. To get the most out of celery's cancer-fighting powers, make some celery soup or blend celery into your morning smoothie for a refreshing boost. You can even stuff celery stalks with tasty fillings like hummus or tuna salad for a satisfying snack. Number 12. Zucchini. Zucchini is full of antioxidants like vitamins C and A, as well as manganese and zeaxanthin. They protect the cells and reduce the risk of cancer. Also, recent research has revealed that zucchini contains a peptide, a small piece of protein that can specifically target and destroy cancer cells. This peptide, known as cucurmosin, has shown promise in laboratory studies for its ability to induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancer cells. Zucchini is also a low-calorie, nutrient-dense vegetable, making it a perfect addition to any diet focused on cancer prevention. Whether you spiralize it into noodles, grill it with some olive oil and herbs, or bake it into muffins, there are endless, delicious ways to incorporate zucchini into your meals. So let's embrace the power of these veggies and make our plates colorful and cancer-proof. Whether steaming some broccoli, roasting beets, or whipping up a delicious tomato sauce, every bite we take is a step towards a healthier, cancer-free life. With a bit of creativity and a whole lot of veggie love, we can fuel our bodies with the nutrients they need to fight back. So keep on munching, keep on smiling, and let's show cancer who's boss. Together, we have got this. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy!